What is going on, guys? It's your main man James, and in today's video I want to show you a really unique method that you can do max bounty CPA marketing, or you can do affiliate marketing. It's really up to you. You can do both if you want. So this is going to be kind of a hybrid method, if you will, that you can implement and put it out there and start making money with right now, today, without procrastinating. All right, so the first thing I want to show you is this website. This is called The Broke Backpacker, okay? How to travel the world on $10 a day, okay? So he's offering some packages, but that's not how he makes money. But before I show you how he makes money, and so let's go to SimilarWeb, and you can see this website is getting a lot of traffic, right? 1.4 million visits, etc., etc. It's a big website. But the way he makes money, let me show you how he makes money. You might not even realize it, right? So if you open this new tab and you type thebrokebackpacker.com and you put best, okay, you're gonna see a lot of results, right? You're gonna see best EDC backpacks, right? EDC stands for everyday carry, okay? It's a really hot niche. 11 best hiking backpacks, 31 best travel bags, 15 best countries, okay? So this is not how he makes money. He makes money by promoting these products. But he also makes money by promoting various hotels. So if I put hotels, best hotels like this, we're going to see 5 best hotel booking sites, 7 best budget hotel chains in the USA, where to stay in Switzerland. Obviously, there's going to be hotels, right? So if I open this article here, we're going to see all this cool stuff here, right? All of these, right? All of these are going to be affiliate links, right? So if I scroll down, here's Airbnb. All of these are affiliate links, okay? These are all, this is a Hostel World affiliate link, okay? These are not direct links. This is a booking affiliate link. All of this, right? The site is targeted to travelers, backpackers, budget travelers, stuff like that. But the way he makes money is by making money with affiliate marketing, by promoting these various hotels, things like that. So this is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Now, like I said, you can go and promote CPA stuff, right? So here I'm in Offerworld. All I did is, so here I'm just on the front page. I go in here and I type travel. Okay, I do travel, I filter it. And then we see all these offers. You can even do US if you want, right? Which I do recommend, because most of your traffic is going to be US. And now you have all of these CPA offers. You have 112 CPA offers where you can promote different travel stuff. But this is not it, right? This is not all. Let me show you something else. You can do Hostel World affiliate program. You can do that, right? And guess what you have? Hostel World. You can do hotels.com affiliate program, right? Affiliate with us. You can do booking, right? Booking affiliate program. Take a look at this one. Hotel affiliate program by booking.com. So this and unlimited ways of promoting these offers. Okay, now let me show you how we're actually going to be promoting. We're not going to be building a website. Okay, we're going to be doing something else. Okay, so what you guys want to do is, let me explain to you how it works. Is you want to create a new Google Sheet. So here I have a Google Sheet. It's untitled spreadsheet here. And I want to basically create a product, create something where I can promote different things. Now, this could be cities. These could be worldwide cities. These could be cities in the USA. These could be cities, in Asia, in Europe, anywhere you want. So for the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote cities in the USA, okay? You can do anything you want. So what I'm going to call this, I'm going to call this travel here, okay? And I'm going to put city. Then I'm going to have, description. And then this is going to be our affiliate URL where we can book hotels and stuff like that, right? So I can say URL, right? This is going to be affiliate. So let's say, I don't know what cities I want to promote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say top 10 most popular, top 10 visited cities in USA, okay? And I want a list, right? Because I don't want to promote cities where nobody visits, right? Very important. So I have here a list. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to say New York, Miami, LA. I can even copy it like this. I can go in here and I can paste it, okay? We're going to We're going to go to format, clear formatting. And now we have a bunch of cities, right? So we have New York description. Now for the description, you guys can go to a site called wikivoyage.com and you can type New York, okay? And you're going to have your description. So this is New York City, and you can go right here. One of the best, you can just copy the first paragraph. That's it. That's all you have to do. See, I copied it. I clean up. I'm going to remove the links here, right? I'm going to do that. I'm going to remove the links. All right, so now we have a list of cities and we have a description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly fill out the description, all right? I don't want to do it. It's a repetitive process. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go to I'm going to do a couple of these cities just to show you how it works, right? This is nice hack. You're going to type Miami. You're going to select Miami here. And you're just going to copy this first paragraph. You can copy the first 2 paragraphs if you want, okay? We're going to kill this. And let me do Los Angeles, okay? Just for the sake of this argument here. For the sake of the example. Okay, I have Los Angeles. And now I'm going to copy this right here. Or, yeah. Well, you can copy the second paragraph if you want. I think that's better, all right? So now we have 3. You're going to do the same thing for the other cities. And now we have a list. Now, what I like to do, guys, is I want to select this. I'm going to go into format. And what I want to do is I'm going to go into wrapping and I'm going to say wrap. Actually, I'm not going to do wrap. I'm going to do clip. Okay, that way, it's not overflowing itself. And the URL is going to be the affiliate link, right? You're going to sign up with Booking. So, or you can go to Max Bounty. It's up to you what you guys want to do. But generally, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Booking. I use Booking a lot. Really, really great site. You're going to go in here and you're going to sign up, right? This is their sign up page. And you don't even need your website. You don't need anything. It's super easy. And once you're signed up, you will be able to essentially promote any city's hotel using a special affiliate link that's just for that specific city. Okay, very, very important. So if I go in here, I'm going to get these links. Now, for the sake of this example, I'm just going to call this Google. Okay, you guys can get the URLs yourself. That's the easy part, okay? I'm going to double click. I'm going to click and drag. And now we have Google. These are going to be the affiliate links for, hotels or accommodation or, anything else, or flights to these cities. You can do that as well. And now you have this. Maybe I want to bold it just to keep it very nicely. And here I'm going to say Orlando description. I'm going to say SF description, just so that it's consistent. LV description. Honolulu description. Washington description. Boston. Chicago. Okay, and obviously you want to fill all of this out. Now, the next thing you guys want to do is you want to go to Glide Apps, okay? It's a great, great tool. It's a no-code tool, all right? Really nice. You're going to sign up for a free account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in into my account right here. All right, so I'm logged in into my account, and as you can see, it says new project. You can start from a template if you want, and that's cool too. I'm just going to keep it simple. We're just going to start from scratch. I'm going to call this Travel USA, okay? We're going to do a Glide app, okay? Maybe I'll do a Glide page later on. We're going to do Google Sheets. You can do Glide tables if you want, but we're going to do Google Sheets. We're going to do that, and it has access to my Google account because it's using my Google account. So once I start using it, right away it pulls this up. This is our travel sheet, right? If we go in here, this is travel right here. If I go in here, I can just select it, and it's going to pull the data automatically. Now, this is an amazing thing. So it has created an app for us already. So let's see what the app looks like. This is the app, and look at this. We have the front page already. We can click on it, and we have a description. Now, it has the URL. It's almost done. It's almost done. This is the beautiful thing about this. Check this out, guys. It pulled up that whole list on that first sheet, and it has the thing. Now, you can customize it, all right, guys? Now, do not be lazy here. I want you guys to customize it, all right? So what I mean by that is it says New York, but you have this icon here. This icon is an image, right? So if you have this list here, right, you can go to options. You can, do all kinds of things. You can say edit list. And as you can see, it says title list. But if we scroll down, it says image, right? Image is the URL. Image is no image, right? You can do something like that. We don't have any images, right? But title is the city. Description, this is the description. And then we can say show title when the image is not available. We're going to deselect that because we don't have any images. Now, if you guys want to take this a step further, what you guys can do is you can create another column with images, and that way it's going to look a lot better. Now, you can leave this. It's up to you, right? You can do it both ways. You can deselect it. And that looks kind of plain. It looks kind of cool like this. And now, guys, this is the best part. It's already done, right? You can click here, and you wanna customize it a little bit, right? We can edit this form. Well, you don't want users to edit, right? You don't want that. But we have the title here, okay? We have the title. We have the link. You can click on this link, and it says pay. It says design. You can do full URL. You can show the URL. You can do a page title because it's obviously Google. You can say this is the URL, or you can say book your hotel here, right? You can do something like this, and you can even you can remove it, right? You can remove this because we don't need that. We don't need like Google. We don't need hotels.com. Or you can say book. Yeah, that's it. Book your hotel. Book your hotel. How about something succinct like this, right? You can do amazing things. You can even create custom items, right? You can say in New York City, right? You can say New York, right? You can do a lot of interesting things. You can do custom, book your hotel. Look at that. That's gorgeous, right? That's kind of what you want. You want to do custom. And now when they click on it, look at that. It pulls up Google, right? How crazy is that? Now you guys can take it a step further. You can put more stuff here, right? It doesn't just have to be title. This is our screen right here. I can add more content. I can add a link. I can add, a button. Let's add a button right here. In fact, let's do that. So this is going to say book your hotel, this button. And we are going to say the action is not going to be notification. It's going to say it's going to go to the link. Let's see where it says that. Open link. And the link, target browser, and the URL. And that's it. So we can even remove that first part, right? We don't need that. You can just remove it. And now look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Now you can customize this button, guys. Everything is customizable. You can show as bordered. You can show. This kind of looks kind of cool. You can, change the mood, success. Well, you don't want danger. You want success. And now if I click on it, it redirects to Google. Now, all of this content, this right here is the title, is the city. Is the city. This thing here, if you open this up, see, if you click here, you can edit, you can click on details, and then you can edit it, right? This title is this first part. This is the second part, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can do a lot of crazy things, and you can go back and Las Vegas, book your hotel. We have a very slight description here. And obviously, you might have even like an image, right? You can go back to WikiVoyage. You can scroll through and you can get an image. All of this is open to use. It's royalty free. You don't have to pay for it. All of this is available. And you can simply do that. Very, very easy. And so once you're done with your creativity, you can have like a landing page, like a first kind of splash screen. You can have a lot of really, really great things. And once you're done with it all you have to do is click publish, right? You can just click publish. And your app is going to be available for people to start using it, to download it, all right? So you can rename it, and you can say Travel 2022, okay? So now we have an app you can send to phones. So you can market it, right? You can go into a group, a Facebook group, Twitter, and say, I just built a cool travel app. Now let me explain to you the best way to market it, right? Since we are on the topic of marketing. You want to market it to a specific area. So this is going to be USA Travel. You want to market it to USA Travel. If you're building an app for California, which is a really good idea, because that way you can find your target area, target niche, target people. California cities, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego, some other cities, right? You can do that. You can do, Florida, right? Miami, a bunch of Texas, right? Texas is a big state. But I would probably start with California, right? Because it's probably the most visited place, the most visited state probably up there, right? Because you have Los Angeles, San Francisco, you have San Diego, you have a bunch of really cool cities to visit. And you can have top 5 cities, right? And that way you can essentially Google. So you can type something like California travel forums. Okay, you can do something like that. And you're gonna have all of these results, right? And you can say, hey guys, I built an app for California travel. And they can download it, and then they can book a hotel. Now, the other thing you guys can do, check this out, all right? We're gonna go back here. And if they click on it, you can say book your hotel, and then you can have another button, and that button could be, book your flight, right? Book your hotel, book your flight. So I can say book your flight, right? These could be two separate links, because let's say, they are staying with their friends, right? They don't need a hotel, but they still need to book their flight. Or alternatively, right? Conversely, they don't want to, they already have, plane tickets, maybe they're using points, so they don't need to book their flight, but they need to book a hotel, right? So that way you can separate it, and you're going to go back here, and you're going to have another one. So this is going to be your hotel URL, and this is going to be your flight URL. I would personally just flip them around, because for me, flight is the first before the hotel. I like to organize things, you know what I mean? And that's kind of what I would do. And it says new columns found. Do you want to automatically add new components to them? Yes. Okay, and it's gonna pull up the data, and now we have that new column, right? So it says book your hotel. So if it says see it says book your flight and book your hotel. So book your hotel right here. This is our hotel URL. But book your flight, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna say open link, and this is gonna be hotel URL, right? Hotel, this is hotel URL. This is going to be our flight URL. Bingo. And now we're done. Right now we see there's no URL, right? We don't have a link. So what we're going to do is we need to enter data, right? All you have to do is enter these URLs here. And that way, when you configure this link, when you configure that second link, it's going to be set up correct. And like I said, after you're done, you can just click share. It's available. You can copy it. It's public. They can scan it. And you have an app that you can use. All right, guys? So I really hope you enjoyed this method. You can use this method for all kinds of different niches, all kinds of different apps, all kinds of different things. Let me know what you thought about this method. Leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you have to say. If you have any questions, you need some help, I would help you out. Just let me know. Leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a like. Smash that like button. And I will see you guys in the next video.